What's up, Blockheads? So we're doing a sound demo video on the new exhaust that's on the OG Iron. I have to stop calling it the OG Iron 883 because we've got plans for it, and I have to just cut off the 883 part, which I mean for many of you guys should be a total spoiler alert, but I'm pretty sure I've said, like, we're planning on, you know, continuing working on this thing and doing some stupid stuff with it. So as you guys know, or if you don't know, we recently installed the Kinetic exhaust 540 Laterals. Just gonna be doing like a sound demo video of it. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you guys know we installed the Kinetic exhaust. I installed that exhaust on the Harley-Davidson Sportster 48 bobber that we built out and gave away through Patreon. We are still building out and giving away motorcycles. This is not one of them, so this is my first ever motorcycle that I ever bought that started the channel, so I'm definitely keeping this one. But yeah, if you guys are interested in possibly getting in on giveaways through Patreon, check it out. We're giving away quite a few bikes. You guys can check that out at patreon.com/blockheadmoto. Yeah, I did put this this extra heat shield on the exhaust just because where the leg is, I feel like my my leg would definitely touch right there at times. Surprisingly, I don't think I'm touching it, but I actually don't really mind the way that it looks too much either, so we'll probably leave it for a bit. After a couple heat cycles, so this is like my first run with it, but after a couple heat cycles, that exhaust will kind of gold up a bit. It'll get that like goldish tone to it. So we've got the gold there, if you want to call it gold. It's called Spanish gold in terms of like the powder coat. Then the exhaust will have like the stainless kind of gold look to it. Then we got the gold with the Blockhead swing arm decal. I think this needs to be gold. Like there needs to be gold here. That's probably the next thing. Getting the tank custom painted or something. Gold on the bar end. Yeah, there needs to be something like right there. Just kind of bring it all together, balance it. Maybe lower rocker box covers, but whew, that's a whole thing. I'm adding more projects to my list. Just sitting here looking at this bike. But yeah, we're gonna start it up. Gonna ride it up Binion Road. All right, so we'll do the start up and the walk around of the exhaust. In neutral, yes. Sounds awesome, man. I freaking love the sound of this exhaust. It's got that nice like throaty tone to it. Before you guys ask, Rogue Rider Industries lights for the LEDs up top. If you guys are interested in buying them, check out the link down in the description below. Ah, she sounds good, man. Let's get moving. Yeah, sitting on the bike, not flat footing. If I were to go down, it's gonna touch the back right over here, like flat. On the peg, it's not really touching my leg. I do have that heat shield there though, just in case. You'll only touch your leg to it once. I guess it says on their website or something like that it's not compatible with forward controls, but I had forward controls on the 48 and it was fine, and forward controls on this is fine. You are definitely more likely to like touch your leg to it though, but you just got to be mindful of your leg. Don't touch it. Gotta remind myself, new tires, take it easy. Ooh, sounds good, man. I freaking love it. So, I mean, if you're just cruising, that's what it's gonna sound like at like 50, right? So roll up and turn around.
I can feel it in the throttle. Like I definitely need to retune it. So I've got a FP3 tuner on here. Need to adjust or update that tune. Probably do what you call it, like where it learns, auto tune. Snap a few pictures here real quick. But since it's residential, I'm gonna turn off the bike. Okay, BRB. All right, photo session done. That's a great sight right there. I mean, except for the cars. I'll wait for them to go away. It's hot, man. I even got up early this morning to try and get out here before it got too hot, but Florida humidity, man. Man, what the hell? It's like a freaking Sunday. Why is there so much traffic? Sorry. All right. Feels good to be moving. So yeah, what do you guys think of the exhaust sound? I love it, man. If I were to go on like a long distance trip or something, I would definitely have to wear some earplugs, because like it's loud, especially like whenever it's warming up, you know, and the idle is higher. You know, Sportsters tend to idle a little bit higher whenever they're warming up, from my experience. Boo, litterbugs, you suck. Yeah, Sportsters tend to idle a little higher, but you know, it's really loud whenever you start it up. But after it gets going and, you know, it's just, you know, it's like kind of warmed up and settled in, like, sounds really nice. As compared to the 48 though, I mean, you can definitely tell it's a higher pitch. If you're going distance, yeah, it might kind of have like a bit of a drone to it, you know, like, you know, I'm chilling at 55 if I were on the highway or interstate. Actually, I guess I can hit the highway so we can go like highway speeds to see what it sounds like. I'm betting it's going to be screaming because, you know, Sportsters already don't like the highway. I always say that, but if I don't also follow that up with it can do it, I always get attacked in the comments. So yeah, like, you know, people have been known to ride Sportsters from like coast to coast in the US, you know, like all across the US. So it can do it. It's just a matter of like your determination. In my opinion, I don't think it's really built for it, you know, because it tops out 5th gear and it's revving out pretty high. Riding bikes like the new Softails or the Dynas have that 6th gear. Feel a little more planted. You don't feel like a sail in the wind. Really need to get these tires broken in, man. I hate the feeling of new tires whenever you're like going around turns and stuff. Guess that's a good road to do this. Oh look, a little drag racing spot. That's fun. Oh shit, look, somebody lost control of it and went off the road. Oh man, I feel like I'm a skier going down a slope, like in a slalom. Yeah, what do you guys think? I love the look of it. The look of it is great. Big shout out to Kinetic Motorcycles for sure. Like I said, you guys be sure to check them out. And then, of course, tell them Blockhead sent you. Yeah, man, distance with this thing would definitely need some earplugs, because like I can already feel it like starting to kind of get to my right ear. You guys ever have that sound in your ear, that feeling that it's like ripping, like your eardrum is ripping? I have this sound every now and then, like if there's like a sound that's like way too loud, and it could be like just wind noise, you know, while riding or something like that, or, you know, at a concert. But for some reason, it's usually my right ear, and it's just this like ripping sound or something. I have no idea. Anyways, let's take it on the highway, see what it sounds like. And that'll be the video. So just in case you guys can't hear me, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. If you guys enjoyed the video, if it was insightful, hit the like button. Helps the channel a lot whenever you guys hit the like button. We're in 5th gear. There is no more gears. 70, 75. Ooh, this thing is screaming. It's just got nothing else. Like, that's me. I'm revving it. Full lock on throttle. She's loud, but the wind noise is loud too. That's highway speeds on a Sportster. It definitely ain't meant for it, man. I'm gonna keep this one as a bar hopper. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, hit that like button. leave your comment below. Let me know what you think. So next time, ride safe, stay vigilant. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.